Yeah, what's up? This is Mixmaster Guys.
This is your aka voice of the streets.
So we are locked down on Data GH TV, man. Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Hello guys, so welcome back to your daily entertainment bars right here on Data GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment in the comment section below. Okay, straight to today's bars, we have Kumawood actress Kyeiwaa Remarr. Yeah, so the good news reaching on Data GH TV has said that Rose Mensah, known in showbiz as Kyeiwaa, has tied the knot once again in the United States of America. The ceremony was attended by close family relations and friends. Unfortunately, little is known of the husband and how the two met at the time of this video. It's worth knowing that Kyeiwaa was married 4 years ago after her abortive wedding to Daniel Osei in a traditional ceremony in September 2015. The plan was to organize a church wedding later on, but barely a week into the marriage, Kyeiwaa found out that Osei was already married to another woman with whom he had children. Heartbroken by the incident, Kyeiwaa ended the marriage, which was just about 4 days old, and later relocated to America, where she has been staying over 3 years now. Okay guys, watch the video.